Fuck, folks. Are you ready for some AI-powered magic? Because I've got it right here. Radiology Associates of North Texas just blew away their efficiency game with RAD AI reporting, and I'm about to break it down like a boss. First off, we're talking 48% more radiograph reporting efficiency, which is like trying to get a cat to do its homework on time. Not gonna happen, but somehow they managed it, folks. It's also like RAD AI was asked to upgrade the workflow at RAND and delivered the entire motherfucker. They took their legacy system, threw it in the trash, and replaced it with something so futuristic. I'm pretty sure they're using a toaster now. And let me tell you, that 25% increase in hourly RVU productivity? That's like adding an extra serving of caffeine to your morning coffee, instant energy boost. But here's the thing, RAND was struggling, man. They were drowning in radiographs and radiologist fatigue was on the rise. It was like they had a bunch of brain-dead zombies trying to read X-rays all day, with nobody to save them from their own mental load. Then RAD AI comes along and is all, hey, let me help you out. And with that, the magic happens, 48% more efficiency, reduced fatigue, and productivity on steroids. I mean, it's not just about the tech, it's about people-powered innovation, folks. Josh Duncan from RAD AI says they're revolutionizing radiology. Yeah, sure thing, buddy. Wildly specific comparison, RAD AI reporting is like getting a personal butler for your brain, minus the attitude and the need to iron your pants every morning. It's like having a super efficient sidekick that does all the boring work so you can focus on what matters. Tangent alert. Have you ever wondered how generative AI could be used in therapy? I mean, just think about it, RAD AI reporting is like a digital therapist for radiologists, helping them work through their own mental fatigue and finding new ways to approach complex cases. Who knew AI could be so human?